The woman at the center of the federal case against former Judge Casey Moreland was in court today. She faces criminal charges of her own. Moreland's former mistress, Natalie Amos, has been charged with vandalism, but investigative reporter Ben Hall found questions surround her arrest.
The judge's former mistress is charged with felony vandalism. The affidavit states Natalie Amos went into an empty apartment at the flats of Taylor Place in October and tore it apart, causing $1,700 in damage. She was arrested more than a month later after her cell phone was found inside the apartment. It was texts from Amos's cell phone that revealed the months-long affair she had with General Sessions Judge Casey Moreland. The texts obtained by NewsChannel 5 Investigates earlier this year showed how Moreland would send her pictures from the bench and that he used his influence as a judge to get her out of a ticket for driving on a revoked license. The FBI opened a public corruption investigation against Moreland as those texts became public.
We have to do this in order to continue the confidence in our justice systems.
Then in March, FBI agents arrested Moreland after an undercover informant videoed him discussing having a police officer plant drugs in Amos's car to discredit her.
What's he want?
Oh, he didn't say anything. He didn't just. I think his thing is like, as long as it don't come back to him. And I said, don't worry about that. And
Is he gonna be the one to pull her over?
he'll be, but he'll be the one to pull her over. But he's just said, his main thing was like, as long as it don't come back to me.
The vandalism affidavit makes it clear that Amos says she did not do it. Friends have openly questioned whether this is yet another attempt to discredit her. But in the most bizarre twist in the vandalism case, her cell phone that police seized to prove she was in the apartment and that has copies of her emails and texts had mysteriously disappeared when Amos went to pick it up from the Metro evidence room. Ben Hall, NewsChannel 5 Investigates.
Metro police say Amos's phone was misplaced, but they are looking for it. Amos is due back in court in March on the vandalism charge.